Joe's looking for a letter. Yay him. And he found one. Yay. That was sexy. Why do you need a ladder? Oh yeah, you're short.
5 feet.
Get over here. I wasn't joking. So, I'm sexier. I have boobs. I have boobs. I have boobs.
Mine are almost as big.
Huh?
Mine are almost as big.
Nuh-uh. Not even close, boy. You wish. This is going to take you a while.
Why would you say that?
Because I'm not helping.
It only takes me usually 30 minutes.
That's a while.